Here we go. Hi, it's been a while on this channel, at least. I was moving and I do not have my stuff. My stuff is arriving in like a month from now. So it's been kind of difficult making videos about tech, even though I've been getting tech. It's just that I didn't have the setup to actually, do all this. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Today, we're going to be checking out the Eufy. I hope that's how you pronounce this. Smart Scale C1. It is a product that I've been wanting for a while now because manually inputting my weight into the Fitbit app, as you can see, I have a Fitbit here, was annoying. And sometimes I would avoid doing it because it's hard to face the reality of your own weight sometimes. So hopefully with this, it can connect to the Fitbit app, hopefully. And also it will input my weight automatically. So every morning I could do like the easiest thing, which is just step on the scale while I go to the bathroom and then, have that logged in. So right now we'll do the unboxing and maybe the setup. And then after, a little bit of time, if there's anything that I would like to add, I will make another video. So stay tuned. Also subscribe. And let's unbox this. So we're opening up the box right now. Oh, God. It opens completely like a pizza box. Nice. All right. And here's the scale. Okay, has a little bit of weight to it. Also, quick start manual. And look at that. We have some batteries with it. Let's check out the batteries real quick. So, size AAA, there they are. All right, the scale itself, not super heavy. I'm guessing that glass top is probably super thin. All right, and this is the Eufy Scale C1. Looking clean. Yeah, not gonna lie, love the design. So let's look at the back. So we have the non-slip pads, of course, and this is where you would put the battery. Why is my camera struggling so much? There's a little bit of a QR code here, I'm guessing for the app, probably. But let me go ahead and add the batteries. So as you saw, it takes 3 AAA batteries. I am most likely going to buy some rechargeable ones because I have a battery charger. Oh, and the display is actually already on, which is cool if I'm pressing. We can see it works, and we have that Bluetooth icon. So let me take a quick look at the starter manual, and we'll figure out how to pair this. Quickly, something that I didn't know. The condition of the skin on the bottom of your feet can affect the measurement. The natural effects of aging or activity can make the skin hard. So take the reading with clean, slightly damp feet for best accuracy. Oh, I didn't even notice. So here, there's something that says unit. And you can press that to basically switch from kilograms to pounds. Mine is by default in kilograms, so I'm gonna keep it that way. And there you go, we're gonna do Eufy Life, which I think I already have due to my security camera being a Eufy camera. Never mind, I had the Eufy security app, not the Eufy Life. So that's the app right there. Downloading it, installing it, and we're opening it. End user license agreement, okay. So the extra thing with this scale is that it actually gives you way more measurements than just the weight. Multi-person use, intelligent data recording, and easy sync for health information. Interesting. So it can detect different people and actually log in their information. So it asked me to log in, and I used my Eufy security account that I made, and that works. So I guess the Eufy account is just global. All that's left to do is to add a device. You pick between Smart Light and Smart Scale. Let's type Smart Scale. Before using the Smart Scale, we need the following information to calculate your body impedance value as well as other related data. Gender, birthday, height. So you just have to create a profile. So there's a thing that says mode, and you have the choice between normal mode and athlete mode. That's really interesting. I don't know what that means, but save. Now basic permissions for Android or Apple, whatever you're using. Let's allow it. It's searching for the scale. I'm going to press on it. Never mind. I guess it found it. So let me try pressing on it real quick. All right, I'm gonna put it down on a flat surface. It is very responsive. So watch this. And it's logged in. Yes, I am 100 kilos right now, which explains why I need a scale. So it gives you a BMI, which is atrocious for me. And it gives you a body fat percentage because I did enter my height. So if you click on the weight that you just logged in, it tells you like more information like how my BMI is extremely high, my muscle mass is excellent somehow, my body fat is extremely high. That is, I didn't need that. I didn't need to know that. Well, I knew that already. Water, 47% low. BMR, which I don't know what it is, but hopefully like I'll get into all that stuff and I'll be able to monitor it a little bit better. Body fat mass, extremely high. Bone mass, excellent. How do you know all this? Protein, 11% low. Subcutaneous fat, 29% high. Wait, body age 36, body type obese. Obese, by the way, obese. I'm not gonna lie, I bought this as motivation and it's already working. I'm already motivated. I do not want to see this written anymore because of my job of being a full-time content creator. I get to see myself like this in this beautiful light, only from the chest up. So every time I catch myself in a full body mirror, which I don't have in this apartment, I'm always surprised. I'm always like, oh wow, I really let myself go. But it doesn't, like, I don't see myself like this enough to motivate me. So yeah, having an app telling me that I'm obese is kind of wild. Now that being said, okay, like let me put a little bit of moral message in there. If you are someone who's healthy and you're in great condition, and even though that app is gonna be like, oh, you're obese or whatever, of course, BMI is not like an exact science. Actually, it's been completely contested by a bunch of people. So it's not something to really take as, oh my God, I'm obese. I don't feel like I'm obese, but I will say that I do not exercise enough at all. I spent most of my time sitting down here working. I do not eat healthy. So what I'm seeing here is not necessarily wrong. My personal goal is to change all that. And this is like a small little step. I'm not usually one to throw money at stuff, but ever since I got the Fitbit, it made me do more exercise actually. I really like the number of steps going up, and I think a smart scale can help me also. Anyways, talking about the scale, it seems to be very sensitive, works really well. The quick start guide actually gives you good measurement. It seems like you really need to be on those electrodes for it to measure everything. So it's not just by applying pressure onto the glass. Troubleshooting error messages also in the quick start guide, but this is mostly telling you exactly how to use it in the best conditions, how to clean it, and what to do if it's not really working well. And that's it. I feel like it should probably go more in depth into like all the options and everything that the app does, but I guess the app is there for that and I need to explore it a little bit more. Which is funny because I press on the menu and the first thing that popped up is Explore. Oh, it's just a shop. Explore is just the shop showing you, hey, you want fitness guides for 30 bucks? You want a vacuum? You want... All right. There's a little menu top left and there's trends. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's just my own data. Never mind. Very interesting. There's pet weight and also baby weight. So if you want to weigh your baby and your pets, that's also possible. That's pretty cool. It's funny because I just want to log my weight into my Fitbit app, and now I'm discovering all of those things. But talking about that, I want to figure out how the integration with Fitbit. Where do I do that? If you click on your profile, you can also change the unit from there. And then there's the Fitbit logo right here, third-party services. And you have connect to Google Fit, connect to Fitbit. All right, it asks you your credentials for your Fitbit account. And here you can pick the data that you want, which is just weight here. So allow all. And click allow, and it immediately gave me web page not available. Come on, man. Okay, now it worked. It says disconnect from Fitbit, so it should be right. I haven't logged in my weight in a while on Fitbit, so let me see if it worked. If it automatically put that new weight into my Fitbit account, and it did. And there it is, 100 kilos right there. I'm not trying to make any excuses, but I'm recording this at 8 p.m. I just ate. I'm probably more of a 99 kind of guy. You know what I mean? Anyways, my goal is to drop down. I should lose probably a good 10 kilos to be fair. So let's make that happen. So in your profile, there's something that says set weighing reminder, and you can control the frequency and the time. So if you forget to weigh yourself, you can set a timer from their app. That's pretty cool. Me personally, I put it in a bathroom. I go to the bathroom every morning when I wake up, so it's a no-brainer. There's also a calorie counter. So there's a bunch of stuff that if you don't own a Fitbit, you can actually just do with the Eufy Life account. So that's nice. I don't count calories, if you couldn't tell. And I really don't want to start. I don't think I'm going to be using the app often just because I already have the whole Fitbit thing going on. But for people watching, if you don't have a Fitbit or if you don't have any alternative, it's cool to know that this does a lot, actually. This does a lot. You can set up a goal and it will tell you how far you are from your goal. I think that's enough. for you to understand how this works and what you have access to with the app. Again, I might make an update if there's any issues or if there's any amazing things that I discover while using it. Either way, if you have any questions, if there's anything you would like for me to answer, put them in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe for more just Amazon random tech and stuff review. There will be a link in the description if you want to buy the same. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.